So let's first start with this blue striped set. It is like a vest top with these matching shorts. I'm pairing it with my favorite buckle dad sandals. This one is great for a hot summer day. Definitely nice and flowy. Love the contrast trim right here, and it does have an adjustable strap and back. There's definitely a lot of room here, so you can size down if you're between sizes. The print on this dress is so fun and reminds me of Abercrombie. It's a perfect lightweight summer dress to be great for a vacation. It's thin, but it is lined, and it does have adjustable straps. I'm pairing it with my favorite clear buckle sandals, which are all loving, and then just a fun straw bag. This two-piece set is so good, and I feel like it definitely screams vacation. I love the sleeve here. Skirt is also lined on the inside, so it's not see-through. I'm pairing it with some fun tan sandals, this straw bag here. I love the shape of this one. It is more multicolored, but there is a lot of blue on it. I shared a similar dress to this one in a different print, but this one's also so fun as well. The straps are adjustable, there's elastic in the back, and this one has pockets. This one is definitely a look for less. I'm pairing it with some Espadrille platforms and some really fun sunnies. You recognize this one? I already have it in green. I'm really like one of those, I love it so much I had to order in 2 colors type of situations. I can't forget she has pockets. Style is just so chic, and I'm pairing it with some whitish cream accessories. And I love this little bag.